Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect ContentKing for continuous SEO monitoring, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect ContentKing for continuous SEO monitoring, start by create a new account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and password. Once your account is created, log in with your credentials. After logging in, you will be taken to the dashboard. Click on the Add Project button to start the setup for your website. Enter your website URL in the designated field. Select the appropriate settings for your project, such as the frequency of crawls. Once you have configured the settings, click Create Project to initiate the monitoring process. ContentKing will begin to crawl your website. This may take some time, depending on the size of your site. After the crawl is complete, navigate to the project overview. Here, you will find insights, alerts, and recommendations based on your site's SEO performance. To ensure continuous monitoring, set up email notifications. Go to the notification settings in your account dashboard. Add the email addresses that should receive updates about your website's SEO performance. Select the types of notifications you want to receive. Save your notification preferences to activate them. Now, you can access valuable SEO insights in real time through your ContentKing dashboard. Regularly review the reports to stay informed about your website's SEO status. Utilize the insights provided to make necessary adjustments to your SEO strategy. By following these steps, you will successfully connect ContentKing for ongoing SEO monitoring. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.